Alright guys, how you doing out there? Everyone loves pouches for their packs. So if you've just bought the Karrimor quick release type of pouches and you're wondering how these bondage straps relate to your pack, stick around. Karrimor make pouches for PAL's molle compatible packs, and they're called the QR range, the QR Modular. That stands for quick release modular. They produce all different types of pouches, large, small, medium, water carriers, ammo carriers if you're into carrying ammo, whatever, you name it, they've probably got a pouch that's suitable for you. I've got a couple of them. I've got the medium sized one, and I've also got a couple of the smaller ones which I use attached to my Karrimor pouch. Now they're called QR because that stands for quick release, and there's a special system using these straps, and there's a special way for attaching it to your pack and, more importantly, disconnecting it from your pack that I'm going to show you how to use. You take your molle panel and your pouch. The pouches are made out of 1000 denier nylon and they're water repellent. They're not waterproof, but they're treated with water repellent. And you'll see on the straps they come with a firm piece half the way down, this solid piece. When you've got the pack, it'll be easy to recognise. You take this piece and you fold the other loose bit back like that, and you do that on both sides. So this makes it easy, and you choose where you're going to start. I'll start anywhere just for demonstration. I'll start 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you start by weaving in the solid bit like that. Remember to keep this bit upwards, and then you just do your in out. So you go through the panel first, then back to the pouch, back to the panel, back to the pouch. I should have emptied the pouch because it would have made it easier, but never mind. Back to the panel, back to the pouch, back to the panel, back to the pouch, last one, through there, last one through the pouch. Now don't stop now, go all the way down to the last row of molle PALs on your pouch, and pull it through, pull these down, these solid bits, and they'll come out like, I don't know, like cat tails, dog tails sticking out now. And then you take them and you fold them back over themselves, back into the pouch, the final pouch loop. And now you've got a hugely strong attachment which will not come off no matter what you do. But the quick release, this is where the magic happens. When you want to take them off, you pull back out that firm piece, solid piece, and you leave them down like that. You go back to the top, you take those two loose bits which we had, and you pull, and the pouch is off. Just like that. Quick release, magic. I'll do it one more time, slower, just in case anybody missed it. So you take your straps, you see the way they're flopping around like that, and you hold that one back like that. Same on the other side, this loose bit goes like that. Then place your pack like this. So your loose bits are sticking towards the top of your pack, and then you start. Doing your weave. So you see what I've done now? The loose bits, the tail of the loose bit is always at the top. Then you keep weaving in and out. And when you finish, this loose bit is going to be sticking out the top here and the top here. And when you when you unloop these stiff bits from the bottom, you pull these, the thing comes loose.